So our second part in this series about parenting and marriage, especially when you have different opinions how to parent your children, is the second part about this, that to dialogue regularly. Parenting and the dialogue about this, the conversation about this, is not a once-off conversation, it's an ongoing conversation. So the tip for this week is to be dynamic parents, because our children are dynamic. Parenting is a dynamic process. It's not a once-off solution, or you are not achieving an answer, achieving a result, and that result will stay for 5, 10, 20 years and be the best parenting. The truth is that parenting is a dynamic process. It changes all the time. Sometimes more order, sometimes more freedom. When you and your partner stay in dialogue about it, almost a weekly dialogue about it, to sit with each other again and talk about the parenting of your children, that dialogue between the two of you will put you in a much better attunement, a much better feeling, presence with what your children need, instead of bringing this rigid idea about how they need to be. So the tip for this week is have regular dialogues about the parenting of your children, so you can stay attuned with what your children need, instead of just pushing something down on them that's not good for them. Dialogue regularly.